About this item: voltage 2.4 V, capacity 800 mAh, type AAA*2 compatible, replacement for batteries BT183342 BT283342 BT166342 BT266342 BT162342 BT262342 2SN AAA40HSX2 compatible with VTech telephone models CS6114, CS61241, CS6199, CS6309, CS6319, CS6328, CS6329, CS6400, CS6409, CS6419, CS6429, CS6449, CS6509, CS6519, CS6529, CS6609, CS6619, CS6629, CS6649, CS6709, CS6719, CS6729, CS6829, CS6859, CS80100, CS81100, DS6151, DS6501, DS6511, DS6520, DS6521, DS6522, DS6601, DS6611, DS6621, DS6641, DS6642, IS7101, IS7121, LS6325, LS6375, IS6100, SN6107.